Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deborah and welcome back to another 3, 2, 1 video in which I give you words, phrases and short sentences that I feel will be beneficial when traveling to Ghana. Before we get into today's video, as always, don't forget to click the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up and leave an emoji in the comment section just to let me know that you want to see more of these types of videos. So today's video is a requested video and I've been requested to translate single, married, divorced and widow. But I will split up the videos into 4 separate videos. So today's translation is to translate divorce in Twi. I also want to give you I am divorced and also a divorced person in Twi. So divorce on its own, Awaregyaeɛ, Awaregyaeɛ. Awaregyaeɛ, Awaregyaeɛ. Again, if you watch the married video, you see awareɛ is marriage. If you watched my stop that video, you know that gyae is to stop. Gyae, so stop. So it's basically saying a marriage stopped, a stopped marriage. Awaregyaeɛ, Awaregyaeɛ. The term for a divorced person, so divorced would be Awaregyaefoɔ, 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 Aware, marriage, married, gyae, stop. For is in reference to a person or people. So Awaregyaefoɔ, Awaregyaefoɔ. Divorced person, Awaregyaefoɔ. And if you want to say I am divorced, you would say megyae awareɛ, megyae awareɛ, megyae awareɛ, megyae awareɛ. It's like basically I have stopped marriage. I have stopped marriage. Megyae awareɛ. Gyae is to stop. Awareɛ is marriage, married. Megyae is like saying me, my, or I. Megyae awareɛ. Megyae awareɛ. I am divorced. Megyae awareɛ. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys on my next video.